2 decades of academic excellence in engineering and education, Sapthagiri College of Engineering has set its impeccable standards in providing the education. And now it is a part of Sapthagiri NPS University. Welcome to Sapthagiri NPS University. I, Sridevi Nayak from Digital Marketing. Today we are going to conduct the most important session at the university. And today we have our Dean, Dr C Kalaiarasan, who is the Dean of Engineering and Technology, who is renowned for its excellence in teaching as well as groundbreaking research. And now we are going to delve the captivating discussions on cutting edge research, academic breakthrough and career opportunities, as well as some of the insightful perspectives on BTech program. Without any further ado, let's start the session. Yes. So could you please share some of the insights of the experience in this particular domain?
Yeah, sure. Myself, Dr. C Kalaiarasan, Dean, School of Engineering and Technology, Sapthagiri NPS University. I'm basically a computer science and engineering professor. I'm having around 30 years of experience. So with this 30 years of experience, I worked in various capacities, including a professor in one of the leading institutions in PSG College of Technology, Coimbatore, also principal in various colleges in Coimbatore. I worked in other universities also in Bangalore. So now it is a honor to me to be here as a Dean, School of Engineering and Technology. So this was actually my area of interest is in the computer area, software engineering, IoT, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and database management system. So even under my guidance, there are 11 PhD students are graduated in various universities, which includes Anna University and other universities. Actually, to talk about my educational background, I did my BTech in Bharathasan University, MS in Software System BITS, Bilal Institute of Technology, and MTech ME in PSG College of Technology and PhD in Anna University. So this is my background. I'm purely a computer science engineering background. So I think, thank you, Sridevi. This is my brief introduction.
It's a pleasure to meet you, sir. So why Sapthagiri NPS University is the number one?
Yeah, there are various reasons I can tell. The first one is, I can say it is a dynamic learning environment. So what is the dynamic learning environment? Because we created a curriculum like that, it is a student-centric. So I can say the student-centric. What is the meaning of the student-centric? So we are going to create the leaders rather than just a graduate. So what is the meaning of the leaders? Because the leader should be in all aspects. It should be well-versed in all aspects, including the creativity, research, and other skills. Generally, the student must have not only the technical skills, they must have a soft skills, leadership skills. So I can say that soft skills in the sense students have to solve the problem. Not only the technical, even they are moving to the society. The societal problem also they have to solve it. So that's why I said we are creating a leaders rather than just a graduate, because our curriculum is like that. We are created a curriculum. It is available in our website also. It is which is 160 credit, which the 160 credits span among the 10 course types, which includes the skill development program, skill enhancement program, discipline elective, discipline specific elective, core programs. Also to address the social causes, environmental engineering, Indian Constitution, ethics, so which includes all the blend of all the courses. That's why I said not only the graduate, we are creating the leaders. And when come to the infrastructure, even anybody can come and see our infrastructure, the new Sapthagiri NPS University, how we are created. So the laboratory, I can say that the unique one is the laboratory, computer laboratories. So we created the laboratories with not more than 40 systems, because instead of 70 or 80 system, it will not cover. So ours is a maximum 35 to 40 systems we have created, the laboratories, and also the classrooms is also to we can schedule the lab also in the classroom. That means the classrooms we can schedule the lab also, because the infrastructure is created like that. Each student can have a separate the power connection, also the network connection in the classroom itself, because it is a very wide, the seating arrangement is there. So that's why I said, so the lab structure is totally different in our system. Also, we go to the system capacity of the configurations. We are having a high-end system, all with the GPU processors, with the all-in-one systems, all-in-one system. That is the latest, the version we are using. And also, while going to the other things, we have a partnership with an IBM. So the IBM is going to give classes of the cutting edge technologies. That was a unique feature in the which start from the first year itself. So with this, I can say that we have we are going to be a number one university in future, because we are made everything in the first year itself. So that setup arrangement, which includes lab, library, and another one important thing I want to tell you that regarding the library facilities. So if you take a library facilities nowadays, if you take, I visited many universities, even students are hesitant to go to the library. So to bring the library to the student place, so we are giving a access to the library resources to the student system. Whether they maybe even they can use in the mobile, or they can use any gadgets which includes a laptop from their places itself. So that is one unique feature we are added to access the libraries. So that is another reason. And another thing, because many parents are asking about the placement, I can say that we have a very good history, 100% placement in our sister institutions. I proudly say, because Sapthagiri Engineering College, you take Sapthagiri Engineering College, we have 100% placement. So that same methodology, procedure we are going to adapt, because we are a first year now, and we are sure that we are confident, because our placement division is like that. So we are created 100% placement, that is no doubt in this. And while talking about the branches in the engineering, particularly I'm talking about that, we have 6 unique branches, that is a BTech CSE, BTech AIML, BTech AI Data Science, BTech Data Science, then Electronics and Communication Engineering, and EEE, Electrical and Electronics Engineering. So I can say that this is a multidisciplinary education, because while talking about the project, because the student of mechanical join with the student of the computer science, they will do that. Because if you take that robotics is a blend of software, hardware, everything. So you take any AI application or machine learning application, it is blend of electronics, electrical, also the computer. That's why we have created a project environment like that. So I can proudly say this is ours is a multidisciplinary education method. And also it is we are making the student to be a lifelong learners, and ours is a student centric learning environment, no doubt. And the research, this is another important thing, because any university, if you see that top universities in the world, they are very good in the research field. So that we have started in the first year itself. We are encouraging the faculty. I can proudly say that our faculty are published, many faculties are published paper in a leading institution, which includes IASC and other reputed institutions. So that is the method we are set up now itself for the research. Even we are going to encourage the research from the student level also, because when go to the students are going for the higher studies in the foreign universities, either US, UK or European countries, the university is expecting, apart from the CGPA, what is your research level. So that we are going to create from the students level also, apart from the faculty level. So that is the one unique feature we are going to adapt.
Wonderful, sir. So I just want to ask, why BTech program? You people ask that. Why they have to opt for the program?
Yeah, it's a good question, Ms. Devi. Because there are various degrees are offered in various universities. So why we are suggesting for the BTech for the student? I can say that all of you know that the BTech program is a 4-year program. And the first thing I can say that if you go to the foreign universities, generally to take the student from the Indian universities, they will look into the 4-year degree program. So that is one great advantage of the students who wants to pursue their higher studies in abroad, either US, UK or European countries. So that is a very basic reason. And apart from that, compared to other degrees, the BTech student or the BTech curriculum having a blend of technology or technical, also the science, also the other skills. Other skills in the sense it includes the soft skills, also the social courses. Even I told you that we are included the environmental science engineering, ethics, social ethics, and Indian constitution, and skill enhancement program. So all this we are added in the engineering program in our curriculum. So that way that it is a different from the other degrees. So apart from that, if you see in particularly in India last few years, if you take either a UPS examination or any public examination, either IAS, IPS, now the engineering graduates are very much successful in a bigger way, I can say, even compared to the other graduates. So this is well known. I think the survey says. So that is one reason. Even apart from that, even the parents or the students wants to do their public services after engineering. They have because they have a knowledge, because in the 4 year they learned a lot. So it is easy to get a success in the public services examination, which includes IAS, IFS, or foreign services, whatever it is. Okay, that is one reason I can suggest the student to take the BTech. Also, the environment is another important thing, because either faculty or the laboratories or the any other, if you take the entire environment, which will cope up with the BTech student, become a good social. So they will be more service to the society. So that way they become BTech students become a social responsibility. I can say that social responsibility. They are nowadays they are part of a social responsibility. Many they are involving. So that way I can suggest the BTech for the student.
Thank you so much, sir. Last but not the least, this is somewhat similar question. Message to the students and the parents who are opting for BTech.
Yeah, I will come to our specific courses. I told we are offering 6 BTech branches in our Sapthagiri NPS University. There is a BTech Computer Science Engineering, BTech AI ML, that is Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, then BTech AI and Data Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, then BTech Data Science, then BTech Electronics and Communication Engineering, BTech Electrical and Electronics Engineering. So I can say that the parents, why I am suggesting that, because I told you we are created a multidisciplinary environment. Sometimes the student pursued they are studied AIML, but they want to move to the data science. So one big advantage in our curriculum is a choice-based credit system. We call it as a CBCS, choice-based credit system. So that is a unique feature. The student, those who are studying in the AIML, can opt the subject in any of the other schools. We have 5 schools: School of Engineering and Technology, School of Applied Sciences, which is having a BCA and MCA program, and also School of Business Studies. We are having a BB and BCom, and the School of Management Studies or the MBA programs. Also, we are having a School of Medical Sciences, which is having a MBBS and PG degrees. So what I'm telling here is that the choice-based credit system giving an opportunity to the student to take the open electives of the other schools. So sometime after second year or third year, I feel I want to study some management courses. I will opt the management courses offered by either the business studies school or the management studies school. So that's why I said that even though I joined or the student joined as a AML or data science, they have an opportunity to learn other skills. Apart from that, I want to tell you, because I'm talking only the technology part or the technical or the courses. Other way, we are having around 30 plus clubs we are going to start in the first year itself, which includes the dance club, music club, and other painting club, sports activity club, and coding club, because hackathon. So many things we are going to start in the first year itself, so the student can explore their skills. Because generally the parents are asking me, so you are giving a lab and library facilities. What about that? My son is good in athletics or good in volleyball or football. We have enough facility. We have created a sports facility like that, student can involve in other activities also apart from the curriculum. So that is a one great the environment we are giving. Also our university is in the heart of the city. That is a great advantage. Student can even after the class hours they can play, they can learn many things. So in our university, that's why I'm suggesting to the parents to take the BTech degree.
Okay, thank you for joining us, sir, and providing a valuable information to the parents and the students as well. And it's been a wonderful session interacting with you. And thank you once again. Namaskar.
Thank you.